Kurumjari, Namaste, hello. In today's vlog, we are going to explore Brookefields Mall. It is said to be one of the largest mall in Coimbatore, so let's go. First, let me fix my hair. Now let's go up and look for some saris as I have to wear them for college. Here we go. Now I'm in the sari shop. So they are going to show me their collections. Let's see the collections. See, this one is pretty, quite pretty. But I was looking for a sari which the look just give me this proper South Indian vibes. Like if I had to buy this kind of saris, then I can easily buy from online shops and also I was specifically looking for the sari that just the moment you see it, you see yeah, it's from Tamil Nadu. That's the kind of vibe that I was looking for. So after much persuasion, he understood me and now he started showing me some saris which will make me look like an authentic Tamil sari. Finally, I got myself a yellow sari and the staffs asked me if I would be willing to give a few feedback in the form of a video recording. I was like, sure, why not? So let's see my review. My name is Chitra, and then since it is mandatory for me to wear sari in college, I've been buying saris through online only. I've always wanted to buy saris, proper Tamil sari coming to a shop. And today I got a very beautiful one. The print is purely authentic South Indian sari and the staffs are also very nice to me. And I love the collection over here and everyone should come and enjoy the experience. Okay. Thank you so much. Very nice. Quote with me what are the items that they are having or what are the shops that they are having. Let's see. Here I'm having Jafrani chai and then I was showing the amount of saffron they have put and the smell it has. So I was adding some sugar and that's my Jafrani chai and it smells really awesome. Now let's have a look around from some different angles. PVR was also inside this mall, so I was looking around what kind of movies they have at that time. The next section is for the kids. After walking for a long time, I thought that it was time for us to have something cool and nice. So I decided to have sundae, and then we decided on a chocolate flavor and a mango flavor. So here comes the end of our shopping. I hope you guys like it. So bye.